Hey, what's up guys? Mr. DS18. Check this out. For some of you that have blown our TW220 tweeters, we have the perfect solution for you guys, which is the replacement voice coils for those TW220s or the TW220 blacks. You can either put a 4 ohm version or an 8 ohm version. We have both replacements available. All you have to do is open this guy up, carefully remove it. It comes with a gasket to protect it. Take your tweeter apart, drop it in, lock it back up, hook it up, and you're set to go. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Watch this. I'm going to go to the back, get one replaced, get one fixed, so you guys can do it on yourselves. guys have it. It's simple to replace it yourself. You could do this at home. All you have to do is make sure you check these out. We have them in stock. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.